Right then, let's talk credit scores. You might think it's just a number, but it's so much more than that. It's a bit dry, I know, but stick with me. Understanding your credit score can make a huge difference in your financial life. Your credit score is like your financial CV. It summarizes your credit history and tells lenders how responsible you are with money. It tells lenders how risky you are with money. They use it to decide whether to lend you money and at what interest rate. A good score opens doors, a bad one slams them shut. It can be the difference between getting approved or denied for a loan. Think about it. Want a mortgage on a house? Your credit score will be a key factor in the approval process. Need a loan for a car? Again, your credit score will determine the terms and interest rates you get. Credit card, looking a bit tempting? Your score will affect your credit limit and the interest rate on your card. Your credit score is the first thing lenders check. It's their way of assessing your financial health and reliability. A good score means better rates, lower payments, and more approvals. It can save you a lot of money in the long run. On the flip side, a poor score can cost you dearly. It can lead to higher interest rates and even loan rejections. Higher interest rates, loan rejections, even difficulty renting a flat. These are all potential consequences. It can affect many aspects of your life. It's not something to be taken lightly. Your credit score is a crucial part of your financial well-being, so take care of it. So, what exactly is this magical number? Put simply, a credit score is a 3-digit number that summarizes your creditworthiness. It's calculated based on your credit history, which includes things like payment history. Do you pay your bills on time? Amounts owed. How much debt do you have compared to your credit limit? Length of credit history. How long have you been using credit? These factors are crunched by credit reference agencies, and voila, out pops your score. Now, there are several different credit scoring models, but the general principles are the same. The higher your score, the better your creditworthiness. Don't worry if your score isn't where you'd like it to be. It's a common concern, but the good news is that there are actionable steps you can take to improve it. There are plenty of things you can do to improve it. With a bit of effort and consistency, you can see significant changes over time. First and foremost, pay your bills on time every time. This is one of the most important factors in maintaining a good credit score. This is crucial as it shows lenders you're reliable. Consistently paying your bills on time builds trust and demonstrates financial responsibility. Next, try to keep your credit utilization low. This means not maxing out your credit cards and using only a small portion of your available credit. This means using a small percentage of your available credit. Ideally, aim to use less than 30% of your credit limit. For example, if you have a credit card with a £1,000 limit, try to keep your balance below £300. This helps in maintaining a healthy credit score. Another tip is to check your credit report regularly for errors. Mistakes on your credit report can negatively impact your score. You'd be surprised how often mistakes happen. By catching and correcting these errors, you can ensure your credit score accurately reflects your financial behavior. Finally, be patient. Building a good credit score takes time and effort. Stay consistent with these practices, and over time you'll see your score improve. Remember, a good credit score isn't just about getting loans. It's a key factor in many aspects of your financial life. It can save you money in the long run by reducing the interest rates you pay on various financial products. Lower interest rates on mortgages, credit cards, and personal loans can add up to significant savings over time. Imagine being able to afford a nicer home or having extra money to invest in your future. Moreover, a good score gives you peace of mind. You won't have to worry as much about being denied credit when you need it. You know that if you need access to credit in the future, you're more likely to be approved and often at better terms. It's about having financial security and options. A good credit score opens doors to opportunities that might otherwise be out of reach. So there you have it. Your credit score is more than just a number. It's a vital part of your financial health. By understanding how it works and taking steps to improve it, you can unlock a world of financial opportunities. This includes better loan terms, lower interest rates, and even better insurance premiums. You can enjoy greater peace of mind knowing that your financial future is more secure. So take control of your credit score today and reap the rewards for years to come.